Boy.
Welcome back. Yeah.
Dominic died, just like my phone did.
Yeah. I die as soon as your phone dies.
Alright, where should we set this thing up? Like this?
No, it's
What, okay, this way is fine. This is good, right? That's okay.
Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to
Welcome back to
Internet.
TV. Alright, so we're still making waffles.
How does it look?
I don't know. I don't know what it looks like.
It doesn't even show her face.
No? Well, okay, put it more upward facing. Is that good?
I'm trying to look. It's like... Let's check it. It's like
Yeah, that's good. No, that's good.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hi, guys.
So, we just have to... Actually, I can just stand here with it.
Alright.
Alright.
We'll prop it down if you need to.
So, continue. Oh, we need to melt the butter.
That's what we're doing right now.
Melt that butter.
Wait, we still need flour.
No, melt the butter first.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Melt the butter first. It's too hot in this thing.
Wait, do we need... Oh, we need a bowl for it.
Yeah, what were you doing?
I need a bigger bowl. Oh, brain hurts. Jeez.
Does it?
Yeah, maybe.
Just a little bit?
Yeah. Okay, what we do is we take the batter, we put it in the bowl.
Ooh,
We
nice.
don't really need this thing, but you know.
That was just measuring.
Yeah, it didn't matter.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, boys and girls. Remember to put your butter in the microwave.
For
No,
soften.
no, it's melt.
Oh my god, melt! Fine!
It's like
Menu? What?
1 to 4. So, 2 chocolate. Touch 1 or 2. What?
Just go for just
No.
Oh, don't!
So like 1 butter. See?
Butter! Oh, butter! Enter! Oh no, what?
Touch. Oh, it's like 1 stick. It's 1.
Alright, go. That's pretty good.
Okay.
Alright.
Well, that's melting. It probably won't melt fully. We're gonna put the other butter back.
Oh boy, because we didn't need that. Dominic, now where's your waffle iron, sir?
Waffle arm?
Your waffle iron.
Oh, I thought you said waffle.
Where's your waffle arm? I need to know where your waffle arm is. Oh jeez. Alright, there we go, that's better. I'm in a very awkward corner here. Just charging up. There's our boy.
Here's my...
That's a big old waffle iron.
Here's my waffle arm. Except for it's a hand.
Check that out. Check that butter.
See, guys, I have a waffle hand.
Oh my god, you're Edward Waffle Hands.
Hand.
Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, let's check
Grammatically
this out. That's hot. Oh, it's spilled.
Yeah. It's very hot.
Alright, well, it touched my finger and it didn't burn it, so I think we're alright.
Hopefully. Yeah, also buy your pizza pretzels.
Pizza pretzels? There's our...
Pizza pretzels.
There, we need to let that cool. No, let
Why?
it cool. Because it's not supposed to go in hot. Okay, you know what? Fine, drop a little bit of ice in there. Drop a little piece of ice. Oh, you guys don't have ice because you're losers.
What? Come on.
Why don't you have ice cubes?
Because we don't.
I should have saved some slushy and put it in.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna have to prop this up now. Hopefully. Can you see our boy over there? No, he's behind all the bowls. That's okay. Let's see. Maybe. Let's put it on top of this.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that'd be a lot better. Can you see?
Can you? You can see him. There we go. That's much better. Check out this setup. Alright, now I'm here cooking.
Probably can't see any of the bowls.
You know what?
It
That's
doesn't
okay.
matter.
I'm more important than the bowl.
Get our dialogue.
Alright, Dominic, tell me what to do.
Alright, so...
I can just slowly put it in and it'll be okay. Just put the butter in? Butter? Does it say
blend
butter?
dry ingredients.
Okay, well we need another bowl for that.
No, blend into dry ingredients.
Oh, okay. Well, I gotta put
What?
the-
No.
Oh, it's the butter, right?
No, it's
butter?
separate eggs and beat whites until stiff but moist. Beat yolk and combine eggs with milk. Blend into dry ingredients. This is separate. That stuff is separate.
Is it?
Yeah, and then it's the other way around.
There's butter in here now.
It's the dry stuff first, and then wet stuff into the
that's
dry.
okay. We can just put dry stuff in a separate... Do I put the butter in?
No, not yet.
When do I put the butter in?
After you get the stuff.
Oh, okay! I don't think it really matters, but alright, let's get the dry. Let's get a new bowl.
Well, we need 2 cups of flour, baking powder, salt, and that's it.
2 cups... Oh.
Really easy stuff.
2 cups of flour. Here we go.
Would you have a knife?
It really doesn't matter that
Yes,
much.
it does.
Dominic, it doesn't matter. It's fine. It's fine. I already put the flour in.
Okay.
Why don't you go be our camera boy?
Okay.
Alright, I've done it. I've achieved flour status.
Oh my gosh.
Is it annoying? Because it was too much.
Yep, my back is breaking, but that doesn't matter.
4 teaspoons of baking powder. Oh, where's your teaspoon?
Is it really?
That's a half tablespoon.
It's zoomed in all the way?
1 teaspoon. I don't know. Is it?
Whoa, okay.
Alright.
Sorry.
We need 4 of these guys.
Huh?
That seems like a lot. Is this a teaspoon? Is it a teaspoon? Okay,
Wait,
4
let me
teaspoons.
see. Let me see.
It's a teaspoon. DSP is teaspoon.
Yeah, teaspoon.
Alright.
Not tablespoon. Teaspoon.
That seems like a lot of...
Well, it's a big batch of waffles.
I guess.
Sorry about
all
that.
these waffles?
I eat them.
Oh, you're right.
No, bring it to school. You can put
Maybe
it.
they'll
No,
go-
you can put it in the toaster in the morning and actually eat it. It's really good. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's not like eggle my eggles.
Yuggle your yuggle. An 8
Look at the whipped
teaspoon.
yolk. Except for it's covered by an arm.
I'm very
Mostly.
sorry. Okay, jeez, what?
It's
1/3.
quite-
Alright, I need
It
to
is
take
very sad outside today.
2 of these.
Anyway.
Where's the salt? That's the salt.
Yes.
Where did the sugar go?
There's no sugar.
Really?
Yeah.
Waffles have sugar?
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do.
Well, then what's on the ingredients list?
That's weird.
See, hey, look,
That's pretty weird.
it's like you viewers have a hand. Hello.
Alright, 2 of those.
Ooh.
Well, good thing we're putting chocolate on it. Then.
Well, yeah, of course. Well, yes, strawberry chocolates.
Oh, what's your other thing? The milk thing we're making? Should we be making milk?
I don't feel like it.
Alright.
It's
Fine.
takes too
We need
long.
more chocolate.
Yeah, okay, well then we'll do it. Ah.
Put all the chocolate in.
Put all the
Alright.
chocolate.
Huh?
What? I was just
Or do you
saying
want to
to
make a
our viewers.
strawberry sauce instead?
If they can hear it. What?
You can make a strawberry sauce with the strawberries.
Oh, sorry. Maybe.
Alright, while the waffles are cooking. Alright, so what does it want me to do? Blend into... Alright. Okay, it wants me to blend it. Let's go.
Oh, you have to do it steadily. I'll help you with that.
Well, I'm not doing all of it at once.
Yeah, but it's better if you mix it. Oh my. Yeah.
Did it go everywhere?
Also, you probably want to.
Sorry.
Good.
Get
You
it.
probably don't want to. Also, you
What?
want to whisk. Stop it! Ah, Mom, were you using whisk on the?
No, you can just do this.
No, but I want to do it. I want to be more professional.
Dominic, it's fine!
Batter before you fold in the egg whites, you can.
What? We haven't done the egg whites yet.
Dominic, it's fine like this!
I use a whisk, especially to combine the dry ingredients.
See, Dominic?